Today I'm cooking a simple bihun fishball soup. It is very fast and delicious. This recipe is for a single serving. The ingredients needed are 80 grams of dry bihun, 45 grams of choy sam, washed and cut with the stem and leaf separated, 60 grams of bean sprout, 500 ml of water, 55 grams of minced pork, 8 pieces of fish balls, 1 egg, some cut spring onion for garnishing, 20 grams of dry fuchok, optional, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, half tablespoon of garlic oil, and quarter teaspoon of sesame oil. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, soak the bihun until soft. Submerge both of them in a basin of room temperature water for about 20 minutes. Set aside. Next, marinate the minced pork with 1/3 of the salt. Rub to evenly distribute the salt and set aside. After 20 minutes, the bihun is now soft but not cooked. Remove it from the water and place it into another bowl. Pour in some hot boiling water to submerge then soak it for 1 minute. This ensures that our noodles are cooked perfectly. Cover the bowl and set it aside. Switch on the heat to medium. Pour 500 ml of water into a small pot. Add the seasonings, pepper, salt, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Stir the soup until evenly distributed. Cover the pot and bring it to a rolling boil. This takes about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the soup is boiling. Scoop a teaspoonful of minced pork and carefully drop them into the soup. Let them cook for about 1 minute. Meanwhile, drain all the hot water from the bihun. They should be about 80% cooked now. Transfer all the noodle into a serving bowl and set aside. After 1 minute, the minced pork is cooked. Add in the fish balls and choy sam stem. Give it a few stirs. We are almost done. Let's give it a taste. Very delicious. More seasoning can be added as preferred. Add the choy sam leaves. Stir gently to submerge them. Add the bean sprout to the side of the pot. Push the ingredients to the side. Then crack and drop the egg into the pot and let it poach for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, the egg is cooked. Switch off the heat. Arrange the topping onto the bihun, the bean sprout, choy sam, fish ball, minced pork, and poached egg. Pour the rest of the soup into the noodle. Arrange the dry fuchok on the side of the bowl. Just before serving with extra fuchok and chopped red chili, garnish with garlic oil, crispy fried garlic, and chopped spring onions. Now our simple bihun fishball soup is ready to be served. Let's eat! Very delicious. The noodles are soft and tender. The meat is well seasoned. The gravy is light yet tasty. This is very wholesome meal. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.